Hi, I'm Roamy. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Ergobaby Embrace to carry an older baby facing inwards. So here I've got the Ergobaby Embrace, and with a littler baby we roll the waistband, but for an older baby we're going to have the waistband so it's completely unrolled. So it's put on like an apron, so you hold it with the writing, the Ergobaby writing, facing in towards you, and you're going to put it around your waist. So put it around like this and tighten it up. If you need to, you can swivel it around to the front to tighten and then bring it back round. And you want it to be tightened up so it's as tight as a belt, so it's snug but not uncomfortably so. Ensure that it's sat evenly on your front, and then you can pick up your child. So it will really vary depending on how big your child is as to when you'll use it at this position rather than the newborn stage. Normally it's from around the sort of 3-month mark, but see which one fits better for your child at that stage. So you're going to hold your child with the legs wrapping around like this and hold them with your head on your upper chest. Slide your hand underneath the fabric and just stroke it up over their bottom and back so you're holding them with the main panel of the fabric. One strap goes over one shoulder and the other strap goes over the other shoulder. Then what you're going to do is reach round and take hold of the strap on the opposite side like this. You're then going to pull it straight down to hold baby snug, and then bring the strap around, and with the hand that you're holding your child with, take hold of the clip so you can then clip this together like that. You're then going to tighten it by bringing any slack around here and just pulling it straight backwards. Once you've got that side nice and secure, we'll do exactly the same with the other side. So you're going to reach around, take hold of the strap on the opposite side, bring it straight down and around, and then find the little clip which is just down here, which I can't find because it's all folded in. There we go. Right. This one just here, and clip it in, and then again bring a slack round here and tighten it upwards. Now the most important thing with any carrier is that you can see baby's face and they've got clear airways, so make sure the carrier is no higher than the nape of their neck. If it is, then sit the waistband a little bit higher before you start, which will shorten the back panel. So I put this, instead of on my waist, put it maybe an inch higher. That will then shorten the back panel when you bring it up over baby. So check you can see the face and they've got clear airways. Check they're held as tightly as holding them in your arms. So if you feel you need to lift them, then tighten it up so they feel as snug as if you were holding them in your arms. Now position wise, ideally you want the same amount of leg on either side. So if you need to, you can slide your hands underneath and shift baby one way or the other. You can also spread the fabric around to support them nicely into their knee pits. You want their lower leg to be able to swing freely, so ideally the fabric should be coming from one knee to the other, but no wider. Now their arms can come out the sides here, or if they prefer, they can have their arms out over the top, like this, or they may decide to have one in and one out. If they have got their arms out, make sure that the carrier is no lower than their armpit, so they're still held nice and snug, like that. So that's how to use the Ergobaby to carry an older baby facing inwards. To take them out, we're just going to reverse exactly what we've just done. So hold them with one hand and unclip one strap, hold them with the other, unclip the other strap. Then keeping hold of them, bring one strap over one shoulder and hold your child, other strap over the other shoulder, and then you can lift them out. And that's how to use the Ergobaby Embrace to carry an older baby facing inwards.